Today, I'm in Carnation at Carnation Farms. As a child, I visited this farm on a field trip, and I have to say, it's good to be back.
Carnation Farms has over 118 acres of land.
Nadia Oakes is the co-director of Carnation Farms. When it first started in the early 1900s, the farm was a dairy. Now they're a non-profit farm seeking to educate people about the food system.
Currently, we're here to teach and educate people about sustainable agriculture, how food is grown, and have kids come out into the field and learn where their food comes from.
I think it's inspiring people to eat better.
Rosie Schmidt is the Director of Agriculture Education on the farm. She works with the kids and does tours of the grounds.
Anytime we can excite folks about the food system and get them excited about food, it's very satisfying.
They can work in the field, they can harvest that vegetable, they can cook it, they can eat it, they can enjoy it. So they get to experience the whole food system.
First on our tour today, Farmer Rosie took me to see some baby turkeys.
So this is 60 baby turkeys, and they're a week old.
Oh my gosh, I've never seen this site before.
So they stay in here for like 6 to 8 weeks until they're fully feathered, because they can't regulate their temperatures. That's why there's heat lamps.
Oh my gosh, hello there. Hey, look at you, you're Washington grown.
Next, Rosie showed me the baby chicks.
I've never seen a site like this. This is just amazing.
Aren't they so cute? And these ones are super chill. So that's a week old.
Oh, look at you.
Yeah, he's so chill.
I know.
We keep giving them bigger space as well. The older they get, the more space they get in here. So sometimes this whole room will be completely full of babies.
Now we're heading out to the fields to see the full-grown turkeys.
So the land of the turkeys.
Right, they're all destined for Thanksgiving dinners.
All right.
They come out of the brooder and they live the rest of their lives on pasture. So we move this electric fencing around and they'll graze and eat down the forage and the grasses and clover and stuff. And if you gobble, sometimes they gobble back.
Oh, what
Gobble, 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 gobble. So you speak turkey.
my bird.
There you go.
Look at you, aren't you
They're
pretty?
very, very curious.
Next, we headed over to collect some eggs from the chicken coop.
Welcome to the Starship Enterprise. They're a little grumbly when they're laying eggs. So you just lift up the perch and open up this. They roll out into these catchment trays, and then we collect them from there.
Okay, this is fun. Yes, thank you. Oh, well, hello there.
Carnation Farms is more than just a farm. It's an experience.
Many people come here and they may pick up a fistful of kale for the first time in their lives when they're little. They might come back here because they were here when they were young. There's so many people that this place touches.
Teaching kids at summer camp that artichokes have hearts, or they taste something different and they like it.
On a sunny day, on a rainy day, it's just absolutely gorgeous, and it's inspiring to be around really smart farmers and a really good team of people that are growing delicious food.